Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Solo. Please don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to like, and of course to do share this video. We unfortunately wake up to the very sad and devastating news that Moja Love reality TV star Umahlala Ntebeni is no more, as she has unalived herself. You guys, now the news were broken and posted by her friend and fellow cast member Onkanyezi, who posted on the 25th of December 2025 that Umahlala Ntebeni is no longer with us, as she has unalived herself. You guys, the very shocking and devastating news, of course, has brought in a lot of shock and sympathy from social media users, especially because Umahlala Ntebeni has been very vocal as to what she is currently going through at the hands of Moja Love. She has tried to expose the network on multiple occasions for exploitation, and it was just rubbed off by the public, you guys, who ridiculed her, saying that why did she sign the contract in the very first place. Umahlala Ntebeni even stated that she intends on going to different podcasts to try to expose Moja Love. You guys, Bishop Maloi was also the very first to come in support, to show support to Umahlala Ntebeni and the other cast members, and says yes, indeed, Moja Love is exploiting us, you guys. And also, Utabula was allegedly and reportedly paid to defend Moja Love crew, and he said that he was, of course, being paid very much well. He appeared very much intoxicated on a video when he said that he is happy with the treatment that he has received from Moja Love, you guys. And please do note that it is not the first time that Moja Love has received, a lot of negative response from people who worked for the network, who came on to say that the network is exploiting us, and they get views and they get to make money with us, but in turn we have nothing. How you guys Nkanyezi has also released this letter whereby Umahlala Ntebeni is detailing everything, saying why she decided to unalive herself. And in the note, she 100% states that she was too tired from the treatment that she received from Moja Love, and as that she can no longer be able to take care of her children, and Moja Love has what she calls her money. You guys, what do you think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also, like this video, do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking on this one. I will definitely be seeing you in the next video, and me, Umahlala Ntebeni's soul, rest in peace. Bye.